It's Sunday, the 1st of March, and what a difference a week makes. Last week it was snowy and cold, and now the great thaw is upon us, but unfortunately Mocha is still with us.